next to me is one of very few people to do this.
Yes! Here in the really remote areas of Albania, there is a family that has found a way to turn any kind of leaf, like this, or this, into music.
Are you ready?
They can play Michael Jackson, pretend to be a bird, or the police. For hundreds of years, this is the only family in Albania that can do this.
I learned from my grandfather.
Every day we see trees with millions of leaves and think nothing of them. But this family in a village surrounded by nature have turned their surroundings into a billion musical instruments.
That's 1 minute.
See you tomorrow!
YouTube, if you like this video, then I think you're gonna love NAS Academy. It's a new online school we just started to give you a voice. Yes, making videos has given me a voice. And with this voice, you can reach millions of people on the internet. Tell them stories that you care about and actually change their opinion. This skill of making videos changed my life, and I think it can change yours.